Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure both devices have enough power and are close together, typically within a few meters. Open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the system can scan. Turn the Bluetooth toggle on. This enables discovery and allows your phone to advertise. Once done, put the accessory into its pairing mode, usually a press and hold on a button, because the phone only shows devices actively discoverable. Make sure airplane mode is off so radios can communicate. Now focus on the iPhone screen. Watch the other devices list populate. You tap the accessory name to start pairing. The phone negotiates encryption and profiles behind the scenes so audio, input, or data work correctly. If a PIN or code appears, confirm it matches the accessory's display or documentation and accept. Once paired, the device moves to My Devices with a connected or not connected state. Make sure the accessory's firmware supports iOS if it fails here. Finally, confirm the connection by checking My Devices shows connected, then test the intended feature like audio or file transfer. If it doesn't work, you can disconnect and choose Forget this device to reset the pairing record, then repeat pairing. This clears cached keys. Also try toggling Bluetooth off and on, restarting the iPhone, or rebooting the accessory. These simple restarts often fix handshake issues. If problems persist, check accessory compatibility or update iOS and accessory firmware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.